Hello fellow traders, it's Rafal Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you very exciting news. I found a broker that offers Ichimoku trading tools. Not only Ichimoku indicator that all the brokers have, but as well trading tools. Let's have a look. We have Hyo Wave Projections and Hyo Cycles. As you know, Hyo was paying attention to trading according to the time, and Hyo's cycles, that's the tool to measure the cycles, as the name says, so the time. And the Hyo Wave Projection, you know that there is a theory about waves, something like Elliott wave theory, but Hyo was concentrating on 5 basic waves, which could extend to 7 or 9, but this is a little bit advanced. The simple version is 5. So we can measure both, and the thing is that the Hyo wave projection is not so much actually calculating your waves per se, how many waves there is, but calculating the target, where the price can get. So you can know the price, where the price can get, and you can know as well the time when the price can get there. And actually today we are at the very interesting point of British pound to Japanese yen. So I will show you using these tools where we are and what should be our conclusion from these calculations. If you are excited just like me and you want to open an account with this broker and have access to all these tools, I will leave the links below this video. As well, you can go to my website, link below as well, and I will leave an article or maybe like a separate section, the broker section, about this broker with all the tools. And there will be 2 links to open, one for European customers and UK, because UK these days after Brexit, it's half European, half not, and as well non-European, so Asia, Africa, Middle East, Australia. Unfortunately, this broker is not for United States clients, so I'm sorry, USA. Okay, so let's have a look at the tools. First of all, I already clicked it. Let me delete it for a second. So first of all, what do we have? We have here the basic charts, the clouds, Kumo, Chikou-span, Tenkan-sen, and Kijun-sen. And of course, the price represented by candles. And now we see that what we are looking for, as you know from my course or from my videos, that we are looking for a significant movement, like significant impulse, so I wave. And that would be our I wave over here, going through the Kumo and retesting Kumo. Then we can see that we have a beautiful reaction with this white candle, and then there's actually another retest and another massive candle, and very strong movement up. And we are wondering, okay, so we already got our positions here, we are making money, the price is nicely going up, we went above the clouds, then the Tenkan went through Kijun-sen, we are above the cloud again, everything is, all the price is above Tenkan, we have a very strong upwards movement, and we want to know when to take our profits. So let's say we are in a buying positions right now, and we would like to calculate the profits. So we can go to our either Hyo Cycles, so that will tell us when, and the Hosoda projections will tell us where. So let's use the Hosoda cycles, and let's use this candle as the first one. So that's the beginning of our movement. And let's see if we will have anything harmonic on the chart. And as we can see, starting from this candle, after 26 candles, which is Hosoda's number, so we remember that 9, 17, 26, so on and so forth, and then 76, like a closing certain movements, we can see that there is a beautiful harmony. So from 1 to 26, at the first candle we have a massive move, and then 26 again there is a massive movement, rejection of the Kumo, and all the movements starts again. Plus on the 32nd, so just one day before, again we have another strong movement up. So we know that that was the power of Ichimoku, and the time telling us that this is the moment to get long. And now we are long, and we are wondering, okay, so when should I get out of this movement? So we need to know two things. We need to know time, and we need to know potential targets. Let's search for the targets as well. So we need the Hosoda wave projections. For that, we just click over here, and you can see that I'm not holding it anymore, but it's following my cursor. If I press on the top, so this is our I wave, and then I go all the way back, so I've got the point A, B, C, and now we are looking for point D, so that would be our take profits. So these are our targets. This is our target NT, and you can see that there was some reaction here, but that's obviously too early for taking our profits. We were entering maybe a little bit later, like over here. So we've got targets N plus NT divided by 2. So between these two targets, 50%. And you can see that there was a reaction over here, a retest of this target, and now we got to target N. So the idea is that we need to see if there is any synchronization of getting to the target and our time theory. And as you can see, this is 76 candle, and the spin bar over here is 77th. So this is a very strong Hosoda number, and having this information, we know that most likely this movement, represented by this N wave, is finished, and now we should be looking at the correction. So we might go back all the way to Kumo. Maybe we will create some P wave over here, and later go higher, but for now we can as well draw some classic where are we here, trend line, and from the trend line we can see that that was our retest over here as well. So we might go back all the way to the trend line. This is one possibility, or to Kumo. But this is information for us that we should close our profits from the long positions. That could be as well information for us that we can take the short positions. Although we are above Kumo and above Tenkan and above Kijun, we are still allowed to go short, so against the trend, because we believe that this trend is finished. So to do that, we would need to go to lower time frames. And as you can see, if we go to H4, we are already testing Kijun. If we go to H1, so 1 hour chart, we can see that we went below Kumo already. So this is something, some stuff happening here. And as well, we can use our projections at this point. Cycles as well, so we can measure the hours. We can see what's going on, and we can check as well wave projections. So we can go all the way here, and we can see that the price was reacting on V, so it can see the target. And now we have a nice reaction at the 50% between N and NT, so something like before, as you remember. So now we might be retesting this this V, the Kumo, and then go further down. And having this information, we can try to get some pips, close our buy positions and or reopen sell positions with the stop loss obviously above these highs. So that would be our stop loss, and then we are trying to squeeze as much as possible. So as you can see, it's really amazing stuff that we have these tools. So we have now Tenkan, Kijun, Chikou-span, Senkou-span A, Senkou-span B. So the whole chart and the whole indicator with the price. Plus we have tools to measure time and project where we should take our profit. So I'm super excited. I hope you are as well. If you are a subscriber to my channel, that means you are Ichimoku enthusiast, just like I am. If you are not, this is the great moment to become one. Subscribe to my channel, press this little bell button so you'll be notified each time I make a video. And if you decide to open an account with this broker, let me know, send me an email. I will leave my email address here, and I will create a series of videos about how to trade it, because the good thing about trading with this broker as well is that you can do it both on the Macintosh and the PC, because you are using, and on Linux as well, because this chart that you can see right now, it's open in the browser, so you can open it whenever you want, as well on your phone. So no more problems like it is with MT4, that if I'm a Mac user, I always have a problem. I need to install Windows separately and trade on Windows, although I still like MT4. This broker has MT4 as well, so it's a win-win situation. You have two options for trading, so I don't see any reason for like not opening an account with them. So if you do, drop me a line, or either in the comment, or send me your email, and I will send you a nice videos. Once I make them, I will try to post some more over here as well, maybe some interesting analysis. We will see how it goes, and yeah, all the best, and have a lot of profits, guys. Take care. Bye.